Ghana this year, the year doing senior of one KJM, or Mra, Yenyano, mining fair, a year blasting and a Jube Nundu. Na after blasting, some ranty way, and they are for Yankopon di omo afufio motiasie ene na mummo wa yare sabia ebo anamon efa tukuro bi a wotu abronika sem ye kan pit ewira emua kopie nyenya no mining firm ne shaft no mu se okosesa no o ma blast no na wisie wa mananu no eno e kantam omoso ya ntina ahome no entumi mayi amunum hono ano enum edane toy ya omo fa sa pitinum ene yi omo ede omo ba abonten abranti bi ya to ni dini bantama ono ne pete eno no na enam so ma odi mirikadi enum no ko hospital na jubeye donko enwechi enam yensa esantosa asatinra yen yekudru hono na nipa efrimu eyema kumako dunsia na ensia enso egu ayarsabia ewo Bulgar Regional Government Hospital na de tiene se yenya no shaft no ene bantama pit no entemu be 200 meters away. It's been alleged say to crew bantama pit no mana kopi yenya no mines no mu nti se omoye blast na nipa afa bantama pit no atumi akwa kopi yenya no na oman asesa no sana amanfo eka na the inspectorate division for no our minerals commission eko ya omokoye san hwehwe mu no ade aba tie ne yintimi nka ensi subia se eye oman kasa page no mu na omokoye ana omuru omo page no mu no ntoku adam ya omutimi kwa kosi yenya no de no mu na yenya no blasting no ye no na smoke no etimi suffocate wo na no na eye wo mo sanso a eye wo mo ewo hin ewo yenya no de no mu ana se o man kasa pitch na o mo atu no. So that matter is under investigation. Na ireho se mo ewo mu ne se bant ma pitch no mini anom se ye kire wo se sa pitch we nipa wirem ekofom na okoye se okope agudie na odi ababo ntia ehu papa payi asa de tama ya yetimi enya kwan ekọ bantama page no mu no ana ye course no page no eni wirem ewo efia enipa etimu ena ye de ndade bi akata so ede padlock aguso omu nim sika no ho adwuma eyo no ekire yen se asa the time ye kuduru ho na ye kasa around 4 p.m. no na nipa ewo page ni. Then I asked, I didn't know what me can say nipa o page no say hwe ano ensu no ekire se nipa wirem epiaba ama ibi asan eko nkana me ekire se yen kata amana no so amana munum hwa soja for any police for aka ho ade omadwen pam ho ebe kire se ebi yen sa will end up killing so many people. It is clear say amount for assassination yeah omo eye sika ho adwuma ewo nti we invited all stakeholders say after Minerals Commission Inspectorate Division no the omo report na ba Minerals Commission and the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources yina ya tenafie no ya share report no ye be free stakeholders who yina ni emodi anu bye na fe ya pe ne pomosibre ya sadi esi BNCBO. The woman say on the quiet, we were told a history about Yenyano. Na I am ranty bay in Num Sia and a day galamsey. Omonam Swana Didimoa Yenyano, a buy. I say, Nema Antony, a binomo and so. A binus again is a BSCB. This is a sad and a blasting Coswa. I was saying, so you Timiko, na Yakofa. Or no, I see a washing a piece can be near cotton. I noted to do and a day sunset Seniba. We do thorough investigation about it. From Yenyano to Bantama, a Honomono, we continue to Bolga Regional Hospital. You could say a Rianum 6 another hospital. Now, when you look at their ages, Omuye Nipa, that Ghana, Ebi here, Omuye Nipa, Ghana, Nkankro, Ombeka Hubi, no Metinia. They are people between the ages of 18 and 22.
Oh.
Ti Omuye Mranche, Ebitimi Apebribi, Ama Omo Ayo, the Dachet Miabua, Omayama, Afana Tumapa, Efra. So it is not a matter that I'm going to allow to sleep just like that. According to the doctors, Nipano Mubeye 80 there. Before they brought them, they were already gone. Few ones that came later, Ebifrimu Hospital, or because now respiratory system, no, virtually not as easy because of smoke now. Evira or Esano. The sex na Omakawa Hospital na ubia oxygen is in so. And the doctors intimated say oxygen or hospital on ground. Asanesa Nipan here or mine tini intimation and my oxygen and san umra. You beat me a PB at their support my civil life. So we provided that particular oxygen. The cost thereof, they are in 6 nakan. Ebitini, and Yankodi and almost Wabeka at Chasifo. You know, Busaya, and boy, this year.
As I say, as a ministry, no one to me, Shadan Sijnaibia, if you say, Yumugusu, I coso.
Yumugusu, I coso, but Yenyano, mining firm, no dear. Accredited, licensed, leased mining company.
Okay.
Bantamano and a main canvas here, you say small scale mining and now say illegal mining. Indeed, the chief executive of Minerals Commission was in our company. Until we tasked him to go through the records and let us know by the close of today. Say Bantama pit, you know. A small scale and a illegal business. Now, a friend Galamsey amount for a UNB. That pit, come what may, is not conducive for mining. Even if they have license, I cannot see this. I stand to be corrected. Being say they are responsible mining and because it is very dangerous. All the security officers are around, intimated. But this is a recipe for death. The Enyadia, Peshe, Amana Kososa, even where they have licenses, that pit will be closed. We would have started that process yesterday and commit for cement. Yatri, Pari waste in I or Honubi, a dear ceiling and run another. But for the fact that we were told that people were still underground. Dina ayehu see the abu be gunsano na ye babu kumni pafoforo at the account. So we had to stop all that.
Honorable Yemra, the boy who by fire former good year to any son, your man Cosono. Yena, I know she said, Boni said, you're punitive enough to deter other people from doing it. And as I say,
Emrano, they are punitive enough. But if you look at the circumstance of this particular matter, as I have alluded to, Sarah Bantama man, Sekosi Bantama Sawano, as I speak to you now, is in the custody of the police. And not me mom no free source by about district assembly for premises. Maminya opportunity no. For a queen interrogate you na sama meade. But we think we have to go beyond that particular level. We need to save them. We need to direct them. If they are interested in small-scale license, we will lead them through the process for them to procure the license, for them to do their mining. But not the way, even where they have license, if they get the license, not the way they have gone by going through this particular pit. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Your people, your outfit was around. They took pictures of all that I'm talking of. They will show them to you, and you will see that it is not fair. It is not good that people should do that for their own life and the life of others. They are the assets of the country.
Okay. Honorable Nopedia, you better say no brain idea and common ones here. Yes, you didn't be China, the BCB and Ebo catching up for Yabajin Munti. Honorable Kokua so much, me that's a nano pay. Amen. I'm missing shout. Well, Minister of Lands and Natural